After that, Frank Connor here's our person in the area of the Carter Building, 23110, 23,110 Leonard Hall Drive, versus the Hollywood Road and Baldridge Street. Simple service. 1015 advises a male jogger dropping white powder all over the place.
Yeah, Leonard Town, could you repeat the 5-digit and the subject is for?
The 5 digits of 23,110, 23110 Leonard Hall Drive, white male, red shirt, pink socks, has a mail carrier bag.
Box 111 each in the area of the Carter Building, 2110 Leonard Hall Drive for hazardous materials emergency. Engine 1, Truck 1, Engine 7, Truck 7, Engine 9, Engine 5, Squad 5, Answer Company 19, Company 79, Hazmat 18, Hazmat 13, the Fire Duty Chief ready to respond, 1958.
Can I get an update, please?
No, not at this time. They were having a hard time deciding on if they needed the fire department to come out or not.
Okay, for the time being, we're related to the Sheriff's Department. We're going to shut down 245. We're going to need their assistance with that. Shut it down both sides.
I got me.
That Chief, one of the senators. Units coming up Route 5. Have them level to stage 245 and Route 5. Units coming down Hollywood Road on stage Larry Grant Parkway and Hollywood Road.
I copy. State Marines, all units responding. Route 5, stage at Hollywood Road, Route 5. State Marines 2, all units responding Hollywood Road, stage at Larry Parkway.
Chief, one of the senators. I'll go in the established command campus for located on Buggy, Baldridge Street, and 245.
State Marines, all units responding to Leonard Hall Drive. Chief wants establishing the command. Command to be held at Baldridge Street, 2002.
Command Engine 11, is that you, at Route 5? That's right. Yeah, copy. It's going to be a white powdery substance on the sidewalk. 1245. Need you guys on foot from Route 5, Baldridge Street, and just go where it starts at. I copy.
North Duty Chief on the scene.
Numerous, man. Design is complete. We are short Hazmat 18, however, Hazmat 13 is around.
Yeah, copy. Thanks. You need to replace them.
Under. Command.
Alright, Command Senators. Looks like a white powdery substance strategically placed about 80 yards apart, or 80 feet apart. Looks like from Route 5 to Baldridge Street and around the compound of the governmental center. Like I said, we know it's an unknown subject, or nothing. That's
Command, I copy on your white powdery substance is placed approximately 80 feet apart that is unknown and throughout the governmental center, 2006. Emergency Command.
Go ahead.
Just be advised, I believe that we are possibly public service with the person who put the powder down. Do you see that it's some sort of choke? We're going to try to get him out with the police.
Yeah, have him report to Baldridge Street, 245. At the command post.
I'm direct.
And command summary for duration. We're going to hold Engine 1, Truck 1, Engine 7. And SWAT on board. Hazmat text. 1. Truck 7, you up? How many hazmat text? 4. Alright, command summary. Engine 1, Truck 1, Engine 7, Truck 7. And the hazmat companies and the ambulances. You can return the rest.
Emergency units responding to Leonard Hall Drive per command. We're holding with Engine 1, Truck 1, Engine 7, Truck 7, Hazmat 13, ASF 13, Ambulance 797 Charlie. And all their units can return on the mean 2008.
Command, units from 7 up or continue staging. Hollywood units, you can move up to 235 on Baldridge Street. Looks like where it stops at. Engine 11, where does it start at? New College. Can't copy. 11, you can move up to the college entrance at 245.
Engine 11, state.
Last name.
12:30, they were rude. 14:30, you want to say you look at the scene up?
Now 132, you can come all the way up to 245 on Bulger Street. Just gonna treat it as unknown substance for now until the individual that put it down gets here.
Yeah.
EF 10. Permission to come to command post.
Got it. You can come up.
Ascertain from communications the address on Dairy Barn at which the subject is at. I'm in roster now. I'll let you know when I arrive.
Okay, copy.
North City 22, same areas. Hey, please provide an address on Dairy Barn Lane. Was the question of this call. Do you have that 5-digit address?
Hey, 67 operate. It's going to be 23202. Very Barn.
Okay. I'm out with the subject at the Sunline Center. I'll set police are out with me. We're okay here. North Duty Chief to Command. Out with the subject now. Hey, we're doing a 5K for a memorial run. He's got the product with him. It is flour, and he advised that he is the one that was laying it down. Your call if you want to test it any further. However, based off of the observation, I think that in agreement, this is just going to be flour.
Yeah, I got Command Center's flour on the sidewalks around the governmental center. Command Center is going to go ready.
Temporary all units operating on the 111 box. Advise, while on these sidewalks along the governmental center, all units to return service, return service on the main at 2014, Alpha 40